Hello everyone, welcome in my channel Computer Programming. Today I'm going to show you getting started with Python. So just open your browser and just download your Python latest package from the official website, that is python.org. And here you can see your latest package of the Python, that is 3.7.1. Okay, so download Python 3.7.1 from the official website, and after download you can install your Python and also mention the path checkbox. And after installation into your computer, just open PowerShell and type Python. So just type Python, and the three arrow indicates running of Python. You can evaluate your calculation, evaluate your numbers, and evaluate your expressions also. So 2 plus 2 is the 4, result is 4, a equals to 2, b equals to a plus 2. So this is the thing you can do in the PowerShell. So print method you can use to print the value. Print b is a 4 number, and the keyboard interrupt, I mean to say, interrupt your PowerShell, interrupt your Python by using the Control C and Control Z to return to your simple directory, that is C drive user Tarun. And if you want to again run the Python, then just simply type your Python key words. Okay, and three arrow indicate that running Python successfully. Thank you very much for watching.